Can you get up here?
I see Liddy, and I see Tess, and I see the wee horsey.
You're having trouble getting on here.
Yeah. She says, get your feet down, Mommy.
So I can step on your feet.
Yeah. This is quite a... Okay, Ian, come on over. Come on over, Ian. I want to see you.
Hey, Jean, will you put Liddy on my back? She's having a hard time.
You can't. Well, you gotta lay down and get up with her on there.
Have fun. Get her on there.
Hold on to Karen, lady.
Do you want to get Ian in the picture? Ian, what do you think of all this, huh? What do you think of all this? Ian, looky here.
Ian, come here.
Hey, Ian, you're just like your father. Just like your father. Hey! Oh, this is so much fun. Isn't it, Karen?
Whoa, whoa. Oh, no.
Oh.
Hold on, Tess. Hold on. No, don't mess her up. She's gonna go to brunch.
Hi, Pooh Bear. Oh, don't do that.
What's up with that?
Don't do that.
Okay, go get Ian and bring him back
Can
in.
you count to 5 for Grandma?
All right, ready.
No, what's after 6? 6.
All right.
Okay, okay.
What's this? What's all of them? What's all of them? All Mommy's fingers are 10. Yeah! Oh, fall down! Oh! More? Yeah. Okay.
But you get to do somersaults too.
Ring around the rose, pocket full of posies, ashes, ashes, we all fall down!
Oh,
Ow.
trouble now. That was a nice little pull there, Karen.
Oh, melon clunker.
Yes.
They're okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
you
can
pulled
you guys
it
do
out.
somersault? Can you do somersault?
You got that on tape, Mom?
Oh boy, yeah, I did. I get
That's
the.
a
Ian,
good
do
one.
it.
It's a
Ian, do
lawsuit
somersault.
time,
We
I
gotta see
think.
that one again slow mo.
She can sue her
Ian, can you do
mother.
a somersault?
Do a somersault, Ian. Do a somersault. Come
Come on, Ian,
Do a
show us.
somersault.
Ian,
Do a
show us a
somersault.
somersault, man.
on. Show us your
Show us a
somersault.
somersault, dude.
Do it. Can you do a somersault? Lydia, come here, do another one.
Show him what you want to do, what he's supposed to do.
Okay, do a somersault.
Woo!
Try it again, Lydia. Do another one. Oh. What's his mom? Oh, that's a
You
funny
want to
good
do
one.
that? You know what?
These are funny. I love his.